Dear students, today we start our geography. First chapter, latitudes and longitudes. The Earth's surface is so vast that unless a mathematical method is used, otherwise it is impossible to locate a place on it. So they want to study the importance of latitudes and longitude. Then what do you mean by latitude? The lines running east to west is known as latitude, or otherwise it is known as parallel to the equator. The lines that parallel to the equator are known as latitude. Then what do you mean by longitude? The lines running north to south passing through the poles are called longitude. Then all of you clear the difference between latitude and longitude. Lines running east to west is known as latitude, and lines running north to south is known as longitude. And the intersection of this latitude and longitude to form a square. That square is known as geographic grid. The intersection of latitude and longitude form a square that is known as grid. Then, what are the important features of these latitude lines? First one, it is an angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. First of all, the first feature of latitude, it is an angular distance of a place that is north or south of the equator. Second one, it is marked in a degree. Third one, these lines are parallel to the equator. These are the important features of latitude. First feature is related to latitude is it is an angular distance of a place north or south of the equator, and it is marked in degree, and these lines are parallel to the equator. Then what are the uses of this latitude line? Then you can find out the location of a place and to measure the distance of a place. Generally, we use the latitude lines to find the location of a place and to measure the distance of a place. Then important latitude lines. 6 important latitude lines are there. First of all, the name of that important latitude lines are, first one, equator. First one, equator. Second one, Tropic of Cancer. Third one, Tropic of Capricorn. Fourth one, Arctic Circle. Fifth one, Antarctic Circle. And 90-degree North Pole and 90-degree South Pole. These are the important latitude lines. First one, equator. Equator is the longest line of latitude, and it represents 0 degree. Which is the longest line of latitude? Equator. What is the degree of that equator? 0 degree. And next, 90 degree north. It is located at an angular distance of 90 degree north of the equator. This is the second one, 90 degree north. It is the angular distance of 90 degree north of the equator. Then next one is 90 degree south pole. Next important line. It is located at an angular distance of 90 degree of the equator. Okay. Then next one, Tropic of Cancer. It is a line of latitude located 23.5 degree north of the equator. This is 23 degree north of the equator, that is Tropic of Cancer. Then next one, Tropic of Capricorn. It is a line of latitude located 23.5 degree south of the equator. And the next one, Arctic Circle. It represents 66.5 degree north latitude, And next last one is Antarctic Circle. It is represents 66.5 degree south latitude. These are the important latitude lines. First one equator, it is a 0 degree. Second one Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north. Next Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degree south. Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north. Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. And 90 degree north pole and 90 degree south pole. These are the important latitude lines. Then related to this equator, this earth structure is divided into, or sorry, this earth is the equator that runs between the poles dividing the north and south. It is into two equal parts, that is known as the northern, above the equator, that portion is known as northern hemisphere, and below the equator, that portion is known as southern hemisphere. Related to the equator that runs midway between the poles divide the earth into two equal hemisphere, that is known as northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, then related to these different latitude lines, it is divided the whole earth into different climatic zones. Then which are the important climatic zones? Generally, the three important zones are there. First one, torrid zone. This first one is torrid zone. The important features of the torrid zone, the area lying between torrid zone is Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. This area is known as torrid zone. That means here to here. This 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south. This portion is known as torrid zone. This area is very high temperature. This area is high temperature area. Why this area is high temperature? Because sun rays directly fall into these areas. Therefore, torrid zone is high temperature. Torrid zone is located between the Tropic of Cancer in 23.5 degree north and Tropic of Capricorn in 23.5 degree south. It is high temperature area because the sun rays directly fall into this area. Okay. Then second zone is temperature zone, temperate zone. This temperate zone is also located or lying 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree south. That portion is temperate zone. In this area, the temperature is or climate is a moderate type of climate. In the temperate zone, the temperature is a moderate type of climate because sun rays slanting reach this area. And the last zone is between 90 degrees south to 66.5 degrees south and 90 degree north to 66.5 degree north. That area or that portion is known as frigid zone. It is very cold region. Okay, these are the three zones located to the climate or areas related to different latitudes. The whole earth divided into different climatic zones, that is torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone. This torrid zone is lying between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This area is hottest. Then second one is temperate zone. It is also located between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. It is moderate type of climate. Third one is between Arctic Circle and North Pole and between Antarctic Circle and South Pole. That is known as frigid zone. It is very cold region because sun's very slanting rays, and this area is temperature is recorded at very low. These are the important climate zones. Okay. Then first of all, first one, then related to this portion, so many questions are there. First question is, what do you mean by latitude? First question is related to this portion, what is latitude? Second one, what is longitude? is grid. Fourth one, lines, features of latitude. Features of latitude. Fifth one, uses of latitude. And sixth one, which are the important latitude lines? Which are the important latitude lines? Explain with the help of a diagram. Explain with the help of a diagram. And last question. Explain the climatic zone. Explain climatic zone with the help of a diagram. Then, okay. Thank you, students.